Alrighty, what up? Favorite road, alrighty. Alec always makes fun of me for that one. But we're back. We got the good old SLX 1050 or whatever it is. Something like that, yep. 1050. Says it right there. So that's pretty sweet. If you guys have not watched the videos on this, you'll have to check it out. We did a full video on like all 4 of the wave runners we got at an auction. There's a freaking Hornet. But right now we're starting the build on this one. I ordered some parts for it, and we're gonna get it all done. So I ordered a whole top end kit for it. We're gonna pull off, these guys should just be chilling on there if I'm right, but I don't know, I'm wrong a lot. Throw that plug out of there. Yeah, zip the head bolt out, and then those guys will come right off. We've already done that. But focus for today is to get the exhaust off. We got to pull the exhaust and get the carburetors off, and that'll allow us, there's a freaking dragonfly, but that'll allow us time, not time,
90% of the time I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
it'll be able for us to pull the whole cylinder jugs off. We got to pull all 3 off, and then we got to pull the pistons, then we got to put new gaskets in it, then we got to put new pistons, and then put the jugs back on, and then you know, rock and roll backwards. So we're just doing this right now, and we're gonna get it done. So I'm gonna start with pulling off this exhaust. I've already got that bolt, and I've got a bolt way down in yonder, but kind of weird. I don't know if you guys could see any of that. Yeah, I got this bolt right there, and then I got that bolt, then I got a bolt that's down there, but don't need to worry about that. And then I'll have to pull it off, the bolts down there, once I get this red, I don't know, these wave runners, what you call them, expansion pipes on these guys, I don't know, 2 smokes, so they should have them, but not sure. Well, anyway, just gonna pull it off and then go from there. So I'll catch you guys up a little later tonight. Quick overview of how everything is routed before I rip this mother freaker apart. Looking pretty simple. Alrighty, got that all pulled off. Now been pulling off this little black piece, and I think we, oh, never mind, couple more bolts hiding somewhere. I think we got most of them out though, and we're about to pull that off, and then go from there. Should only be a couple more minutes. I don't actually see what else is holding us on. It's pretty loose, so do it once over, see what bolts I missed, and then get it pulled out. All these guys they're all loose. Oh, maybe that was what was holding it. Nope, there's one bolt right there. Yep, I missed a bolt. Okay, we're gonna get that bolt undone and then pull that little piece off. Alrighty, got that exhaust off, got all the cylinders out and all the pistons off. So there's that one, and then we got that one chilling there, and we got this one. So carbon buildup. This one was actually, it's scored right there and stuff. But these guys are gone. Just gonna put new ones in it. They're cheap enough. All the cylinders have got really good cross hatching and really good shape though. So I'm gonna go get the piston kit I got. We're gonna have to peel off the base gasket. It's all it's like RTV'd on there. So I have to get a scraper or razor blade or something and get that out without scratching it up, and then get the new piston slapped on and everything, and then go from there. Okay, so I haven't been showing you guys a lot, but I've actually done a lot of work on the wave runner. You guys can see we got all the cylinders and pistons in. We got all the new pistons. Everything's pretty good, all rotating like it should. And now all we got to do is I'm going to throw the heads on, and then I got to torque down the cylinders, and then get the exhaust on and see if this sucker will run, or if we got to pull the carbs off and clean those. But hopefully it'll just fire up. So I'm going to clean up these heads. They should be good to run, and then we'll go from there and show you guys. Probably show you guys once we're getting the exhaust on. So we'll see you then. Yep. Ready? Alrighty.
Alrighty then.
So I got it's almost done. I got half the exhaust on, but we're just gonna fire it up as is, just for a second or two. I dumped some gas, some premix down the cylinders, and we're gonna just see if it'll fire for a second. So we don't have any of the, I don't have the cooling part of the head on or anything like that, but we're just gonna see if she'll jump up and down for a minute. For a minute, huh? Favorite thing to do is see when things will jump up and down. I just love it. Alrighty. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if that has any power on. See if it turns over. Runs. Sounds good. Nice. Alright, I'll do it again. Sweet. Running on the old gas. Now what do you gotta do? Woo! Fan it out in here. You're right, we should have fired it out there. So we got this can. I don't know what the hell you call this stuff on wave runners. I guess this is like the silencer. I guess. So we gotta put this on, and then I gotta put all the water covers on. They go on top of the heads, and then mount the. When we bought it, the ECU was like all loose mounted and crap, not shit. But anyway, so it's all loose mounted, and I got to figure out a way to tie that up, and then figure out a battery strap, and then I'm gonna take it to the lake later tonight because it's hot here. It's real hot. This heat wave shit's no joke. Pretty sure it's just a normal summer, but it's still hot. Let's see if it fires one more time. Whoa! Good. I'm really hoping I don't have to clean these carburetors. Really crossing my fingers and sending a prayer up to the big man that I just got all this back on. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here before I die. Okay, alrighty. So I just barely wrapped up the whole build on this Polaris SLX. Guess it's not completely wrapped up, still got a couple little pieces. But I'll go ahead and show you guys everything. I'll come look in here. We got heads and everything on. All the exhaust is on and connected. I just need to mount the, forget what the brains of it. And then everything else is basically good to go. But we'll fire it up for you and show you how it runs. Just like that, you guys can see starting to run pretty good. We might have to do some carb work, but we're gonna get it on the water and see how it does. But besides that, just needs the seat reupholstered and then everything cleaned up, and it's ready to roll for the summer.